What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add music to your Canva video so it sounds polished and professional. First, head to canva.com and sign in with your account. Once your video project is open, click on Apps on the left side panel. Then scroll down to More from Canva. From there, choose Audio, and you will see a variety of music categories like happy, instrumental, and piano. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to find the perfect track, or even generate an AI voiceover. Keep in mind that many premium songs require a Canva Pro subscription. If you don't have Pro yet, you can still use free tracks or upload your own audio file by clicking Uploads and dragging in an MP3. Next, click the song you want and it will automatically appear beneath your video timeline. Drag the ends of the audio clip to trim or extend it, and use the volume slider above the timeline to adjust loudness. Right-click the audio layer and choose Fade to add smooth fade-ins or fade-outs. This small touch makes your video feel more cinematic. After you're happy with the timing and sound levels, preview your video by hitting the play button. If you need to swap out the music, just select a new track. Canva remembers your previous settings, so you don't have to reapply fades or volume levels. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.